हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक। कैसे हैं आप लोग। आज का हमारा चैप्टर है 27। नेम है आपका सॉन्ग बर्ड्स। इसमें बेसिकली आपका जो सिंगिंग बर्ड्स होती है उनके बारे में डिस्कस किया गया है। तो फर्स्ट है, इसमें को डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया गया है, उनको हमें बर्ड्स को आइडेंटिफाई करना है। तो फर्स्ट है, दे आर द प्लेन ब्राउन इन कलर एक्सेप्ट फ्रॉम द रेडिश टेल। इट इज़ द बेस्ट नोन फॉर इट्स मेलोडियस सॉन्ग that can be heard both during day and night. That's called the nightingale. Second है, unlike many other birds, they sing their song while in a flight, singing the whole time. They flutter and hover high in the sky for the long period. The name is that bird, lark. Third है, it is very small bird covered with brown, black and white feather. They have a simple song of one or series of strip notes. It's called the house sparrow. Next है, they are known to mimic the sound of their environment. They can easily master around 200 songs. Yes, 200 songs. The male sing throughout the night but in slower tempo than the loud, rapid sequence sung during the day. Name is the northern mocking bird. Last one है, they sing for much of the year, only stopping for a few weeks. They are not only great singer, they are also impressive mimic, able to imitate the mechanical sound. The name is the starling. ओके, तो ये 5 जो है सॉन्ग बर्ड्स हैं। आई होप आपको कुछ नाम याद रहेंगे। ओके, वी हैव टू मूव टू नेक्स्ट चैप्टर। नेक्स्ट है चैप्टर 28, डॉग्स। इसमें कुछ पॉपुलर डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स है वर्ल्ड ऑफ डॉग्स के। तो फर्स्ट है, द इज द स्मॉलेस्ट रिकॉग्नाइज्ड डॉग ब्रीड। द नेम इज द चिचुआ। सेकेंड, until the 1970s, the was known as Alsatian in the United Kingdom. The most famous dog name is the German Shepherd. Next, third, the also known as the Badger Dog, literal translation UK, US, Australia, and the Banana Dog US. The name is the Dachshund. Next है fourth, the is known as for its giant size. Its base color is pure white with black tone patch irregularly distributed over the entire body. The name of that dog is the Great Dane. Fifth है, the is the fastest dog in the world. That's called the Greyhound. Sixth है, is also called Congo dog. It's known as the barkless dog. Name of that dog is Basenji. 7 is a working dog, originally bred for rescue on the Italian-Swiss border. The name of that dog the Saint Bernard. 8th, the differ from the most other in having a blue, black, purple tongue. Its name is that dog, the Chow Chow. Yeah, that name is. 9, the royal dog of Egypt is known as to us Soluki. Next है 10th, the space lag dog order noted for its unique black and brown spotted coat on it. The name is that dog Dalmatians. तो ये आपके कुछ डोमेस्टिक डॉग से इस चैप्टर 28 में। नाउ वी हैव टू मूव टू नेक्स्ट चैप्टर। Chapter 29. The name of that chapter name is Animals. First, it belonged to camel's family but has no hump. The name is that animals is a lima. It is found in Africa. It has ears like a donkey and catch termites with its long tongue. Name it that aardvark. Third, it is the largest and the heaviest snake in the world. The name is the green anaconda. Fourth, this animal can sleep standing up. A name that animal is the horse. Fifth, it is a bird whose nest is called the owl, is called the eagle. In Hindu mythology, it is associated with goddess Durga. A name is that lion. Next, an animal that can sleep for 3 years. Yes, 3 years. The name is that snail. Next, eighth, an animal with 4 nose. The sludge. Okay, 9. An animal without vocal cords. The name is the giraffe. 10. Last, it is native to Indian subcontinent. Its long nose is filled with a 110 teeth. The name is the घड़ियाल. ओके, ये आपका चैप्टर 29 फिनिश हुआ एंड मूव टू चैप्टर 30. चैप्टर 30 स्पेशल एनिमल्स. तो स्टेटमेंट गिवन है, तो हमें हेल्प बॉक्स की हेल्प से एनिमल फाइंड करने हैं. तो फर्स्ट है एन ऑक्स लाइक एंटलोप नेटिव टू अफ्रीका. इट्स हैड एंड हॉर्न्स लाइक बफेलो. A long and bushy tail like an ass. The name is that wild beast. Second, a group of curved horn ruminants related to cows, sheep, and goat is called the antelopes. Third, small ruminants inhabited the mountain of southern Asia, having an abdominal glands contain a substance with a precise odor known as the mux. It has become practically extinct. Basically, the name is that mux deer. Fourth, a small carnivorous mammal seen in Africa, Southern Asia, and Southern Europe. It gives a tough fight to a serpent. Name is the mongoose. A wild goat having long curved horn found in mountainous region of Europe, Africa, and Asia. The name is that ibex. An animal found in South America whose skin alpaca wool is made. नेम इज डैट. नेम से इसमें समझ में आ रहा है अल्पिका. तो ये कुछ 30 चैप्टर्स में स्पेशल एनिमल्स से. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपका नेक्स्ट चैप्टर कवर होंगे. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर.